Now we are discussing about mini paper mill. Is paper mill profitable or not? Paper manufacturing is a viable business enterprise in India as demand for paper is increasing. How much does it, next point is how much does it cost to open a paper mill? You can start a paper manufacturing business with 17 lakh rupees. 70 lakh rupees, not 17, 70 lakh rupees. Next point is what is the price of a small paper manufacturing machine? Small craft paper making machine capacity is 0 to 10 per day at 1 crore. One crore set in rupees 1 crore set in Yamuna Nagar. That is next point is how do I start my own paper mill? Set up your paper mill plant. Complete guide is there. Labor, first thing is labor, then capital, then advertising is most important. Labor is skilled labor is very important in the development of any paper mill. Capital is an important part of setting up a paper mill plant. Decide the production process and production plan of your paper mill plant. Advertise your paper mill plant online and offline. Next point is how much land is required for a paper mill. Taking the total annual production of paper to be around 3.2 million tons, the total land requirement of Indian pulp and paper sector would be 6.4 million hectares. Next point is what is the raw material for a paper mill? The basic raw material of paper is cellulose in the form of fiber. Cellulose fiber occurs in many vegetable tissues from which it can rapidly be extracted by mechanical or chemical means. Next point is which country has the best paper mill? Global production of paper and paper board 2010 to 21 by country. In 2021, China produced over 125 million metric tons of paper and paper board, making it the leading paper production country worldwide. And the next point is what is profit margin in paper bag manufacturing? The paper bag making machine is capable of making 60 bags in minute. You can take a profit of 10 paisa per bag. So you can get a profit of 6 rupees for every minute you invest in bag making. With production and marketing going smoothly, you can expect to earn near about 2,800 on a daily basis. Next point is what is the cheapest source of making paper? Chemical pulping is the most common process. Through pulping, wood chips are converted into pulp for paper. The pits are chemically cooked to break down wood and fibrous components to cellulose fibers. And the next point is what kind of trees do paper mills use? Paper is made from softwood or hardwood trees, but 85% of the wood pulp that makes paper in the US comes from softwood coniferous trees. They have longer fibers known to produce stronger paper. The primary trees in this category are pines, firs, spruces, hemlocks and larch. Next point is what is the biggest consumer of paper? The US is by far the world's largest producer and consumer of paper. Per capita user paper consumption is over 6 times greater than 6 times greater than the world average, and about 25% greater than Japan, the world's second largest per capita per consumer. And the next point is which motor is used in paper mill. Paper mills use specialist machines equipped with large DC motors to produce pulp from raw material, convert pulp to paper, wind to reel, and post-produce by slitting, coating, printing and packaging. And the next point is which tree is best for paper. Paper mills generally use wood from bamboo, eucalyptus and subabul trees. Subabul wood is most widely used in recent times. Besides wood, a large number of chemicals such as common salt, caustic soda and so on are also used in different stages of paper. Which paper is eco-friendly? Made using cotton liners or cotton from used cloth as the primary material, cotton paper is used as an alternative to wood paper for printing documents. Cotton paper is superior in strength and durability compared to wood pulp based. And the next point is what are the waste from paper industry. The production of pulp and paper is increasing worldwide, and wastes are therefore being generated in appreciable amounts. Various materials are generated in pulp and paper mills such as ash, dregs, grits, lime and the pulp mill sludge. Over the years, these wastes have typically been sent to landfills or incinerated. Next point is there 100% recycled paper? The 100% recycled paper is sent to a converting facility where it is transformed into a box, core or tube, fiber can, folding carton, overnight envelope or other consumer or industrial product. Shortly thereafter, it is back on its way into your home or office, where we hope you will recycle it again. This is the information regarding mini paper mill. So it is good to small scale industries to start this type of mini paper mill to get very good profits and to run in a smooth way independently. Wishing you all the best.